Okay, welcome to my cross off every number challenge. As you can see my code here, I've broken the problem into its smallest parts. I have several functions. The goal of cross off every number challenge is to get your robot to navigate these numbers on the number grid map challenge playground in numerical order. It's supposed to cross off odd numbers in red and even numbers in blue. There's a couple things that make this a challenging challenge. The first is the numbers next to the playground wall, the odd numbers in this row here, and the even numbers in this row here. You can't cross off the entire number because the robot pin is in the middle of the robot. If you look at these functions here, that's why I have cross full even, cross full odd, but I also have cross half even and cross half odd to cross these numbers next to the playground wall. I also have a special function called back up to wall that drives very slowly, that allows my robot to back all the way to the wall. So when we try to cross off these numbers next to a wall, we get the biggest cross off line that we possibly can. I also have a function to navigate to any XY coordinate, which calls these long code columns here, the drive to X coordinate, drive to Y coordinate. The reason these functions are so long is because if your robot is traveling in the positive direction or the negative direction, the greater than or less than symbols need to be flipped. That is why you see the exact same code pretty much up here as you do down here. I also have a drive to row start function and a cross off row function. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and play my cross off every number challenge. I'm gonna stop my personal video annotation now, and I hope that you enjoy the solve. Thank you so much. One, two, three, go. Don't worry, class, I'm only going to let this solve about a row and a half, and then we'll stop the video, and then we'll go over how to upload this the right way to YouTube.
Mr. Chadwick?
Yes.
Since you know how you talked for a bit about your code and the challenge and such?
Yes.
Does that mean you still have to upload a paragraph?
It means that you probably could write a lot less, but you still want enough text to be there where you don't look like a slacker. So there is a presentation like poster component to all of this. But yes, doing the video annotations can really reduce the amount that you have to talk. Okay, so as you can see here, go ahead.
Oh, I was just gonna say, I've already done one of my things because I've been trying to get classes ahead. So I don't need to go back and change. I just need to do better.
I kind of want to just show the level that you can go to everyone. I don't want anyone to redo any work. I want them to kind of step up their game moving forward. Okay, but those are great questions, Henry. Thank you for staying engaged. Okay, so I'm stopping my solve here. Look closely. I come up to there we go.